Good morning all. Myself Dr. Sudharani from SR University. Today I'm going to discuss about one theory concept as well as one practical session. In the theory concept, I'm going to cover about the major cloud platforms. In practical session, I'm going to give the hands-on sessions on the simple notification service that is called as the SNS. So coming to the part of the introduction to major cloud platforms. The cloud platforms deliver computing resources over the internet on a pay-as-you-use basis. Core resources include compute, storage, networking, databases, analytics, and AI services. Built using large-scale distributed systems and virtualization techniques. Support modern architecture, microservices, DevOps, containers, and serverless. Leading platforms, mainly we are having the leading platforms like Amazon Web Service, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These are the major cloud platforms where the maximum number of the consumers are dependent. Amazon Web Service, AWS, this is the most demanding cloud service cloud platform where more than 90% of the consumers are using AWS cloud service. Due to the flexibility and the characteristics of the cloud, maximum numbers of the consumers are using the AWS platform. Coming to the characteristics of the AWS, EBS for block storage, Glaciers for archival data, low-cost cloud storage service used for long-term data archiving and backup. Databases. Here there are the different databases. First one, RDS, Relational Database Systems, DynamoDB. DynamoDB comes under the NoSQL. Aurora, Cloud Native Relational Database. Examples, e-commerce app stores images in S3. Backend runs on EC2 or EKS. Orders processed using Lambda. Autoscaling handles peak traffic. Coming to the Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure was introduced in the year 2010 by Microsoft. Strong enterprise and hybrid cloud focus, seamless integration with Windows, Active Dictionary and Office. The compute services of the Azure is Azure Virtual Machines, Azure App Services, Azure Functions, Storage Services, Block Storage, and here there are the different types of storage services like block storage, file storage, disk storage. Coming to the part of the database and analytics, Azure SQL Database, CosmoDB, Azure Synopsys Analytics. Example, bank uses on-premise services with Azure Arc, web apps hosted on Azure App Services, transaction data stores in Azure SQL. And another platform is GCP, Google Cloud Platform. So Google Cloud Platform built on Google's global infrastructure, strong focus on performance, data analytics, and AI. And the compute service of GCP are Compute Engine, App Engine, Cloud Functions, Containers and Orchestration, Google Kubernetes Engine, Data and AI Service, BigQuery for large-scale analytics, Vertex AI for ML pipelines, and the example is Research Project Analyze TB scale data using BigQuery. ML model trains using Vertex AI, application deployed on GKE for scalability. And comparative analysis of AWS, Azure, and GCP. AWS largest service portfolio suitable for startup and scalable web applications. Whereas Azure, best for enterprises and hybrid cloud deployments, strong Microsoft ecosystem integration. And whereas the GCP, it is best for data analytics, AI and container-based systems. So here, this is a small this is a small introduction about the different services, different platforms of the cloud like AWS, Azure, and the GCP. So coming to the practical session, as I said, today I'm going to discuss about the SNS, how to create one SNS, simple notification service from the cloud, from the AWS console. Let us start doing that. Already I started entering into the AWS console. In my every video, I used to tell how to open the AWS Learners Lab. Click on the AWS Learners Lab, AWS Academy Learners Lab. Go to modules. And click on Launch AWS Academy Learners Lab. So ensure that your lab was ended by seeing this red dot. So now start the lab. This yellow line, this yellow dot indicates that the environment is ready to use. Just wait until the yellow dot turns into green dot. If that network, yes. At last we got the green dot. Click on the green dot. So today's the practical session is simple notification service, SNS. Before going to see here, I already got SNS because I already worked on it. The people who are working first time, they can go to the search tab and here you can give simple, see, or whenever you are searching here, we used to get simple notification service tab. Before going to start the session, I want to give some introduction about the simple notification service. When we will use a simple notification service means, as the admin of the cloud, if you want to communicate with your consumers or if you want to communicate with the subscribers, then how we are going to communicate with the subscribers? So by simple notification services, we can create the topics as well as we can create the subscriptions and we can communicate with the our clients. So today I'm going to explain how we are going to create your simple notification service. So defaultly we are having one topic and one subscription. I already created different topics and different subscriptions. So it is showing 3 topics and the 2 subscriptions. First, to create the SNS simple notification service, we should have one topic and one subscription. Means why we are using the SNS to communicate with your subscribers, you are going to create some simple notification. You are going to create some notification service. So means you should have first you should have the subscribers, and then you should have some topic to deliver it to your subscribers. So that's the reason. First we have to create the subscribers, and then later we can create the topics. Now I am creating my subscriber. Click on the tab of subscription and see here already I'm having the subscribe. This is deleted. Let's delete. This is the default one. This is already deleted. Okay, no issue. Now let us create subscription. Here we are having create subscription. Click on the tab, create subscription, and topic ANR, my topic. So, okay. So first let us go to the topic and then subscription. Just a minute. The simple notification service. From simple notification service, first go to the topic. See how many topics I created. Redshift SNS is the default one, which already we are having. These are my extra topics which I forgot to delete it. To confirm, you can create write as delete me and click on delete. Same cloud alert also click. The cloud alert also click on the particular thing. Delete me. Here deleting EC2, S3, SNS, Elastic Beanstalk, everything is very, very important, or else the dollars used to be consumed continuously. Okay, fine. Now I'm creating Redshift is the default one where we cannot delete. And now I'm creating the topic. So not first in, first out, I am selecting a standard. My topic name, here I am giving my topic name as alert. Today's date is 13/04/2026. Fine. So alert 13/04/2026 is my topic name, and our topic display name is optional. I can give as alert. Okay, I given my name and I given, and this everything is optional. We can just skip. And now click on create topic. So topic alert was created successfully. Alert was here. We got the message as topic alert was created successfully. Now go to subscriptions. Topic is already created. And go to subscriptions. And same procedure. I created the topic and now I have to create it my subscribers. So the subscription, create subscription tab. And here the topic. Here the topic you can see. Now I got this one. I got this one 13/04/2026. This 1304-2026 is my topic name, where I created in the tab of topic and I given the unique name. So first, if you directly go to the tab as create subscription, you are not able to see the topic. So this default topic name you cannot see. So that's the reason I went back and I first created the topic. Later I'm creating the subscription. So you people also better to first create the topic, then come to the subscription tab where you can see this topic name. Okay, so click on the topic and now select protocol. Select protocol. So protocol means in which way you are going to communicate with your client, either SMS or either email or either HTTP, platform application endpoint, Amazon SQS, AWS Lambda. So these are the different mode of communications where we want to communicate with your clients. So now I'm selecting email. This is my protocol. I'm selecting email. Okay. So now endpoint. Endpoint means you choose an email as your protocol. So for that protocol, what is the endpoint you are taking? I am taking my mail ID. So to test here itself, I am taking my mail ID itself. Okay, so I given my protocol, I given my topic ARN, and I given my mail ID also. Now click on create subscription. Now click on create subscription. Okay, subscription was created successfully. Fine. So we created the topic, we created the subscription. Now the topic is ready and the subscription is also ready. Now we have to communicate with the clients. Now again go back to the topic. So which topic is I created alert. I created alert 1304-2026. So select that your topic and now publish a message. So click on the publish message. You can publish the message. Click on the publish message. Here enter message subject. It is not mandatory, it is optional. Enter message group ID. We are not taking the group ID. We are going with the individual one. So no need of message group ID. So directly come to the message body. Here just I am giving hi network alert. Hi network alert. So this is my simple message. You can also type any kind of the message in which way you are going to communicate with your client. Fine. So what I given? Here I given and the message attribute. No need to give any message attribute. So here in this table, I simply given this everything is optional. See here you can see message details, the topic ARN. Here you already got your ID. So if you want to check whether you are going in the proper way or not, simply you can check your name everywhere at the same name, whatever the topic you created, the same name will be generated. Alert 1304-2026 is my topic name. Okay, so I given the simple alert. I given the simple network message. Hi, network alert. Okay, so now I'm simply publishing my message here. Come to the last of the page and click on publish. Okay. Message publish. Message publish. The topic alert. See here. This is your alert name. So message publish successfully. You got message ID. You got request ID. Right. If you want to publish another message, you can click here. For me, one message is enough. Okay, so Amazon SNS message data protection will be no longer new customer start. Okay, so fine. So this is my alert 1304 2026 is my topic name. And here we can see we are having all the details like name, URL, display name, stand type, topic owner. This is about the subscription and subscription confirmation is pending. Subscription endpoint is my mail ID, status pending confirmation, protocol email, like that. Every information of the subscription is displaying here. You can also see what are the access policies. You can also see data protection policies. You can also see delivery policies, HTTP, delivery status, login, like that. We can see everything. Okay, fine. So now I even publish the message. Okay. So now let's go to mail ID where we can see the. So go to the mail ID and check whatever the mail ID you given. You check the particular mail ID only. Not came yet. Okay, so go to so confirmation is still pending. We should receive the mail for the confirmation. I think network is very slow. Do we receive? Just we will receive the mail. You can check in the spam also if you didn't receive the mail. Still. See here. Okay, let's see again. Okay, so we created publish a message body, the same payload is sent endpoint subscription regardless. So this is still showing as pending confirmation. Here we are having as the request confirmation, confirm subscription. So click on request confirmation. And confirm subscription. So due to the network issue also, maybe we are not receiving the mail. We will check in spam also. Okay, we will give one more. You can see here pending confirmation emails. We are getting lot of emails, but don't know where it was struck up. So this is the mail ID. Okay, fine. Here I will see the mail ID was printed wrongly. I will show. Yes. Here we can see. Go to the subscription. See create subscription. Here this one only. And coming to the protocol, select email. Here I typed a wrong one. Now I am giving the correct one. You should be very conscious where you are doing the mistake. See, instead of edu, I given the RDU. So that's why only we are not getting the mail. Now we can see. Okay. Now we can see. Go to the inbox. Yes. We got, so extremely sorry for that. I didn't observe the typing mistake. Now we can see here AWS notification. So here we got the AWS notification. Okay, so we got the AWS notification. And first we have to click on the confirm subscription. Then only we are able to see the message. So now confirm subscription. Okay, I confirm the subscription. Now we can go. My subscription was confirmed. Now I already published the message. Now let us see whether the message was, I received the message or not. So we already published the message and we even confirm the subscription also. Confirm the subscription. Yes. So we got the subscription ID also. Okay. Now let's see again. So once the subscription was confirmed, then we can check the messages. Fine. This one, publish message. Simply I am giving that message as hi, alert. Hi, alert. Simply I am giving and click on publish message. Okay. So here the email is confirmed, and now let us check. Yes. See here, I got alert, I got message, AWS notification message, hi alert. So like this I created the subscription, and even I am giving the alert message also. If you wish to stop receiving notifications from this topic, please click or visit the link below to unsubscribe. If you don't want to get any messages if you don't want to receive any messages from this particular site or particular mail, simply we can click on the link and we will get and that we don't, once if you click on this, we don't receive any messages again from the same one. So for that, you can directly click on here. So subscription removed, your subscription has been deleted. So your subscription has been deleted. Now go again. So click on the subscriptions. See here. So the subscription was directly this one now. Alert 13042026. This was now I created. It was automatically deleted because in my mail I click on the unsubscription. So when you click on the unsubscription, directly it will be deleted from here. So this is a pending confirmation. Now, after completing your practical, don't forget to delete your topics in the subscription, or else your dollars used to be consumed delete me. So if you type as delete me, then it will be deleted. Okay, I hope you all understand today's my class, a theoretical as well as the practical simple notification service, which is really the simple one, and it is very useful service to communicate with our clients. In the next class, we will come up with one more theoretical topic and one more practical session. Thank you all.